Hi, I'm Jenny. Welcome to my channel, Beauty in a Minute. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't done so yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like my video today, please kindly give me the thumbs up. And today I want to talk about the Drunk Elephant Maretinol oil with 0.5% retinol. They call it the A-Gloei. Yeah, Drunk Elephant has a lot of funny names for the products. And this one is called A-Gloei. And that is the Maretinol oil, which is Marula Oil essentially, with 0.5% retinol. I've got a picture of the real product here. And what I'm holding is your 5 ml sample that I got in one of my look boxes from Mecca Beauty Store. So this is what you call the mini version of the real product. The real product is 30 ml and this is 5 ml. It's an oily, watery fluid. The good thing about Marula oil is that it is very lightweight. It has one of the smallest molecules among all the oils. And because it is lightweight, it is not heavy and greasy. Yeah, I'm a big fan of Marula oil. If I were to rank all the different cosmetics oil or skincare oil, you've got argan oil, chamomile oil. I would rank Marula oil at the top for me because it is the most lightweight and it is full of antioxidants. Yeah, Marula oil is actually really superior and is full of antioxidant properties. So I rub this in now and you can see it's a little bit oily but not too oily. And it does dry up and get absorbed into your skin quickly. Because the molecules are small, it can enter and penetrate into your skin better than some of the other oils that have very large molecules. You will expect a slight oiliness, but I don't find it too oily. And I really love this product. So the ingredients for this product, which is not a lot, I really like it when the ingredients is not overcomplicated. So you've got your Marula oil, you've got soybean oil, you've got your retinol at 0.5%, which is mid-strength. You've got your tocopherol, which is vitamin E. You've got your 2 ceramide, ceramide AP, and ceramide NP. So that's it. So you've got 2 ceramide, your 2 oils, which is your soybean oil and your Marula oil. And then you've got your active ingredients, which is your retinol and your vitamin E. I mean, this is just fantastic. I'm loving this product. I find that my skin is really tolerating this 0.5% retinol really well. I haven't experienced any redness, peeling, dryness, or inflammation. Yeah, my skin is absorbing this oil really nicely. I put 1 drop on each cheek, 1 big drop on my forehead, and with the excess on my fingers, I just rub it into my cheeks and my nose. And the next day, I do wake up with a really nice softening of the skin. I mean, when it comes to reduction of fine lines and wrinkles, it does take a couple of months of using retinol. But usually one of the first few things that you discover from using a brand new retinol product is that smoothness and that softening of your skin. Your skin is just not so rough anymore. Your skin is just nice and soft to touch in the morning. And your skin just looks a little bit clearer. Yeah, so those usually is one of the first things that I notice for me when I use a brand new retinol product. And all that reduction of fine lines and building up of collagen, those come a bit later. Yeah, but if you see any smoothness, that means the product is really working well with your skin. Yeah, and that product is worth pursuing, really. So yeah, I'm really loving this. And 0.5% is mid-strength retinol. Drunk Elephant is advertising this as a gentle retinol product. Yeah, 0.5% is not too gentle. It's actually mid-strength. The only thing with the Drunk Elephant products is they're a bit pricey. I personally do highly regard Drunk Elephant products. They are well-researched, well-formulated, and packaged together. And the active ingredients do work. It's just that they're not cheap. Yeah, you can purchase actual size of this product. It only comes in one size, and that is the 30 mils at $122. So it's not a lot. I mean, I will go and purchase this when I finish with this sample. I managed to get quite a few nights use out of this. Not much left. So this product with the oil, to me, is more suitable for those with dry skin and those with mature skin. As we age, our skin just gets drier and drier, and we do need that hydration. We do need that locking in of the moisture. And with the 0.5% retinol and the ceramides, this is just a fabulous anti-aging product. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't done so yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you liked my video today, please kindly give me the thumbs up. And if you have any questions, please list them down below and I'll do my best to answer them. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.